Hi everyone, Samsung was supposed to release a camera update in April to improve the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera performance. However, ICE Universe, a reliable source, revealed that the update has been delayed until June. Details of the delayed update. Initially, the update aimed to fix issues like white balance problems, red hues, and telephoto image quality on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung has faced some criticism lately, especially after the One UI 6.1 update caused issues like broken fingerprint scanners and camera problems on various Galaxy devices. Samsung's responsibility and user feedback. While not all issues are Samsung's fault, like touchscreen problems on the Galaxy S23, the camera issues on the Galaxy S24 Ultra are entirely Samsung's responsibility. Many users have shared their camera problems on Samsung's forums, including issues with white balance, telephoto images, overexposure, and abnormal red colors. Challenges. Despite great camera setup. Despite the Galaxy S24 Ultra having an impressive camera setup with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 zoom cameras, users are still facing persistent camera issues. Uncertain release date for the update. An update is expected to fix these camera problems, but the exact release date is unknown. Stay tuned for updates. If you've experienced camera issues with your Galaxy S24 Ultra, share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.